Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DriSteem. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the space distribution units and blowers. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Basic hand tools, open-end and box wrenches, a set of nut drivers or a drill with driver bits, multimeter, proper lifts and supports, scissor lifts if necessary and mounting in an elevated area, and of course the SDU IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Required electrical power and field wiring as depicted in the IOM and wiring diagrams, proper grounding in an approved earth ground, drain piping as depicted in the IOM, steam hose, tubing or piping to SDU, and an airflow proving switch mounted in SDU. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. The installation location is clear and ready, with clearances as shown in the IOM. Power, water, and drain have been run and are operational. The power can be shut down or isolated long enough for scheduled installation to be completed, and that you have an Ethernet cable and a laptop in case you need a direct connection to the VaporLogic controller board on the humidifier. Once installed, startup time may vary depending on the application and system size. Now you have all the information you need to properly prepare for a smooth installation of the space distribution units or blowers. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.